Konnichiwa everyone. Welcome to this beginner Japanese lesson. In today's video, we will learn 8 important formal Japanese greetings that you can use immediately. Let's begin. Ohayou gozaimasu. Ohayou gozaimasu. Ohayou gozaimasu. It means good morning. This is the formal way of saying good morning and is commonly used in schools, offices, and professional situations. Please repeat after me. Ohayou gozaimasu. Konnichiwa. 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 It means good afternoon or hello. This greeting is used during the daytime, usually from late morning until early evening. Please repeat. Konnichiwa. Konbanwa. 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 It means good evening. This is used in formal situations during the evening or at night when greeting someone. Please repeat. Konbanwa. Arigatou gozaimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu. It means thank you. This is the formal way to express gratitude in Japanese. Please repeat. Arigatou gozaimasu. Sumimasen. 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 It means excuse me or I'm sorry. This is used politely to get someone's attention or to apologize in formal situations. Please repeat. Sumimasen. Hajime mashite. Hajime mashite. Hajime mashite. It means nice to meet you. This phrase is used when meeting someone for the first time in a formal situation. Please repeat. Hajime mashite. O yasu minasai. O yasu minasai. O yasu minasai. It means good night. This is used in formal situations when saying good night before going to sleep. Please repeat. O yasu minasai. Sayonara. 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 It means goodbye. This is used in formal situations when parting for a longer period of time. Please repeat. Sayonara. Please like and share and subscribe for more such videos.